धन्यवाद। I'm back. Oh my god, first day of university. It's done. Okay, so I couldn't show a lot, of course, because phones, like using of phones is actually not allowed here. So yeah, that's what the day looked like. So I'm back in my room and it's currently 4:30. So it was basically like a introduction kind of day. You know, we had another orientation. Trust me, these orientations are never ending at this point. But yeah, that's how that went. Then we had a communication skill class, and yeah, I think that's probably it. So yeah, that's the first day of my university. I wanted to show you guys the orientation, but nothing too much happened. Just Raghav Juyal came to the university, which I'll show it in the clip.
मैं अपनी जो फिल्म यहाँ प्रमोट करता हूँ वो हिंदी होती है। क्या बात? ये एक है, यहाँ की बात है, यहाँ की धरती की बात है, और यहाँ की हवा की बात है, यहाँ की लस्सी की वो बात है कि वो हिंदी होती है। क्या बात है? साहब की लस्सी मैंने किल की थी, किल हिट हुई है ना। बैड्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड का हमने इंटरव्यू बहुत बड़ा।
Yeah, that's only like what happened the best in that. There was just a lot of information and stuff. So yeah, okay, so I'm not going to like unready myself right now because we have to go like see the laundry, because you know everything in this hostel is on construction right now. So we gotta find a way to like, you know, have someone do the laundry, because we cannot wash our clothes every single day. I mean, come on. I did it once a day, and I did it just one day, and it's not for me, guys. I need a washing machine. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm waiting for my roommates because we're gonna go together. I'm the first one here, and the only thing good, and the thing is that like we were told that the biotech classes usually end before anyone else's. Like it probably ends at like 2:30, 3:30. So yeah, that's a good thing. We can have some sleep. Another thing that we got to know is that our classes would be like Saturday to, it'll be like Monday to Saturday till like the induction period, which is like till I think 5th August. After that, the regular classes will be like Tuesday to Saturday. So like Sunday and Mondays will be holidays. Yeah. So yeah, we gotta deal with this, but it's fine, guys, we can do it. So yeah, tomorrow is the day off, which is the best part. But yeah, let's wait for my roommates and we're gonna go do the not do the laundry, like find someone to do the laundry. Okay, so see you guys. देखो गाइस, हम आए हैं एक पार्क में जिसका नाम हमें नहीं पता, लेकिन हम जा रहे हैं अंदर। यहाँ पे आपको कोंटे में लोग मिलेंगे। ये देखो, यहाँ पे भी कपल्स, वहाँ पे भी कपल्स। देखो, ध्यान से देखो इन लोगों को। हम यहाँ इधर उधर कर रहे हैं, देखते हैं इसे रास्ता पता है या नहीं। आ चुके हैं वापस, और हमें पता चला है कि हमें महीने के 200 रुपये खर्चने पड़ेंगे सिर्फ कपड़े धुलवाने के लिए। आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मेरे सारे पैसे खर्च होने वाले हैं। वाह, और पैसे मिलेंगे कैसे?
Let's go. You already know which one this is. सुनी से आसमां तक हम ढूंढ आए जहां सारा लिख दूं आसमां पर ये बड़ी.
Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more such content. Comment down below what are you guys doing right now, what universities are you going to, or what colleges are you going to, or like what is your course. Tell me in the comments down below, and maybe if you're in like the same university as me, like let's meet guys. I mean, why not? So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.